Fix your broken or cracked iPhone screen at the best Arlington repair shop. Get the rapid repair and maintenance services you need from the local team at iTouch Repair today. They can repair and replace iPhone screens, and rectify a wide range of software issues for customers in the wider Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. iTouch Repair offer curbside support, which allows you to drop off your damaged device from the comfort of your car. You can book an appointment with a certified technician online and receive electronic support at home within a few hours. They perform an examination of the device to provide an accurate issue diagnosis and get electronics back up and running as soon as possible. In addition to hardware repairs for iPhones and iPads, iTouch Repair offer recovery and maintenance support for Androids, PCs, and other devices. Visit the link in the description to find out more.